Hi everyone, welcome to MashMath. Today we are going to study from chapter 6 lines and angles, exercise 6.2 question 3. In figure, if AB is parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD and angle GED is equal to 126 degree, find angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. Don't get worried, it's very easy sum. So just to see what is given to us is AB is parallel to CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Already it is told that AB is parallel to CD. And introduction part I have explained to you. When we studied pair of angles, when the lines are parallel and the transversal cuts through, then all these pairs of angles will be equal to each other. So that you have to remember, and then the consecutive interior angle will be 180 degrees. So keep this in mind. So now AB is parallel to CD, it is already told to us, and we have EF perpendicular to CD. This is EF, this is perpendicular to CD. So when the line is perpendicular, then angle formed will be 90 degree. Okay, so already it is given to us in the figure, it is 90 degree angle is here. And angle GED, angle GED, that means this whole. Angle GED is 126 degree. 126 degree given to us. Find angle AGE. AGE. So this we have to find out. Then GEF. This we have to find out. Then GEF. That means this angle we have to find out, this much. Then FGE. FGE. So that means this angle we have to find out. Okay, total this angle and this angle we have to find out. It's very easy. Just have a look at it. Now just see here, this angle AG, let's take this angle, okay? This angle AGE, this angle and this angle. Don't you see that they are alternate interior angles? Because two parallel lines are there, inside angles are there. So this is opposite direction, this is a transversal, blue line what you see is a transversal, this two black line is a parallel. So two parallel lines are there and transversal line is here. So then this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. So if they are alternate interior angles, then they are equal to each other. So therefore can we say that angle AGE is equal to angle GED. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. So therefore, if they are alternate interior angle, if GED is given to us, this whole angle is given to us, that is 126. So if they are equal, then can we say that angle AGE also will be 126 degree? Because they are alternate interior angle and it is given to us that GED is 126 degree. So therefore AGE also will be 126 degree. So already we have found out this angle. So this is 126 degree. So we have found out. So one we finished. So now let's see now the next one. So next one is, let's find out GEF. This GEF, where it is GEF, this angle. So let's find out this angle now. Okay. Now this angle to find out, it's very easy. The whole thing, it is 126. Now from this 126, what we will do? 120, whole thing, that is GED. This whole angle is 126. And here this much it is given 90 degree. So from 126, you cancel this 90 degree, you minus, then your remaining will be this angle. Okay. So from GED to get angle GEF. This is what we are finding out. GEF, that is this angle. GEF, this is the angle. Okay, this angle we are finding out. Okay, to get this angle, from this whole angle is 126. From here, we will minus this 90 degree. So, to get this angle, from this whole angle, GED, we will minus this angle, this 90 degree you can see, no? That we will minus, that is FED. FED. So GED is 126 degree, FED is given to us 90 degree. So then how much we will get it? We will get 30 degree. So angle GEF is 30. So we found out, so this will be 30. We found out this, we found out this. Now we have to find out this. This is very easy because this is straight line, and straight line means there is one arm is here. So then the whole thing will become what? Whole thing will become 180 degree because this is a linear pair of angle. So can we write down linear pair means it is always 180 degree. So let's write down angle AGE plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair of angles. Okay, so AGE we know. AG is, see this angle and this angle, no? Together it is 180 degrees. So already we have found out this angle AGE, this angle 126. So let's write down AG is 126. So we don't know FGE. So keep this FGE here only and 180 minus this 126, you bring it here. So angle FG will be how much? 54. So we found out all the angles. You see, we found out this, we found out this, we found out this also. Isn't it very easy? So that's our answer. Thank you. God bless.